Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a focus on nature enthusiasts. If you're passionate about capturing the beauty of the great outdoors, you're in for a treat. We're talking about the Panasonic LUMIX FZ300, hailed as one of the best cameras for nature photography available right now. So, what makes the Panasonic LUMIX FZ300 stand out? Let's start with its impressive features. First off, this camera boasts a 12.1 megapixel sensor and a 1/2.3 inch sensor, delivering stunning image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're capturing sunrise over the mountains or wildlife in the wilderness, the FZ300 ensures every detail is crystal clear. But what really sets this camera apart is its incredible zoom lens. With a 24x zoom range, equivalent to 25 to 600 mm, and a constant aperture of f2.8, you can get up close and personal with your subjects without compromising on image quality. Whether you're shooting distant landscapes or elusive wildlife, the FZ300 delivers stunning results every time. And let's not forget about video. The Panasonic LUMIX FZ300 is a powerhouse when it comes to 4K video recording. With Panasonic's exclusive 4K photo technology, you can capture moments in stunning detail, shooting at 30 frames per second and extracting high-resolution stills from your footage. Say goodbye to missed opportunities. With the FZ300, you'll never miss a moment again. Now, let's talk durability. Nature photography can take you to some pretty rugged environments, but fear not, the Panasonic LUMIX FZ300 is up to the challenge. With a splash-proof and dust-proof design, this camera can withstand the elements, ensuring you can keep shooting no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. So there you have it, folks, the Panasonic LUMIX FZ300, the ultimate companion for nature photographers. With its powerful zoom lens, 4K video capabilities, and rugged design, this camera has everything you need to capture your outdoor adventures in stunning detail. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.